When you look closely in the mirror, do you ever notice that one eye looks slightly bigger than the other? Or maybe your smile leans more to one side? That's called facial asymmetry. And let me tell you, it's completely normal. In fact, nobody has a perfectly symmetrical face, not even models or celebrities. But here's the good news, there are natural ways to reduce asymmetry. Tone your facial muscles and create a more balanced look. It's not about chasing perfection, but about making your features look harmonious. Today, I'll take you step by step, how to determine your face shape, daily habits that secretly cause asymmetry, facial exercises and yoga you can do at home, massage and gua sha routines, hair and makeup hacks that instantly balance your face. By the end, you'll have a full asymmetry-fixing glow-up routine. What is facial asymmetry and why it happens? Facial asymmetry means one side of your face looks a little different from the other. It could be one cheek fuller, one flatter, uneven eyebrows or eyelids, a jawline that's sharper on one side, smile slightly tilted. This happens due to sleeping habits gives pressing your face into one pillow side for years. Chewing only on one side gives overworking muscles. Posture and phone use gives tilting head down, creating uneven tension. Dental issues gives bite, misalignment, or missing teeth. Stress and tension gives muscles tightening unevenly. Genetics gives natural bone structure differences. Remember, asymmetry isn't bad, it's human, but small lifestyle tweaks plus exercises can reduce it.
You know I want to be the best, so please just say no. This love is hurting, and I just need to know. You know I want to be.
Step 1. Know your face shape. Before you start, determine your face shape. This helps you choose the right hairstyle, contour style, and exercise focus. Square. Strong jawline, equal length and width. Diamond, narrow forehead, high cheekbones, pointed chin. Rectangular, longer face, sharp jawline, balanced forehead and cheeks. Round, wide hairline, soft edges, round chin. Heart, wide forehead, narrow jawline, pointed chin. Oval, high cheekbones, narrow jaw, soft curved chin. Quick tip. Trace your face outline on a mirror with lipstick to see which shape you match. Step 2. Daily habit fixes. Sleep balance. Don't squish your face on one side every night. Sleep on your back or switch sides. Orthopedic pillows help too. Chew on both sides. Train yourself to chew food evenly. This tones both cheek muscles. Fix phone posture. Keep your screen at eye level, not down in your lap. Brow mapping. Use a ruler or brow stencil to balance uneven brows. Hair parting. Try middle or side parts depending on which makes your face look more proportional. Camera setting. On iPhone, turn off the mirror front camera. It exaggerates asymmetry. Step 3. Facial exercises and yoga. Consistency is key. Aim for 10 minutes a day, 4 to 5 times a week. 1. Cheek toning cheek lifter. Smile wide, lift your cheeks with fingers, hold 10 seconds. This tones cheek muscles and evens out drooping. 2. Jawline tension relief. Put your thumbs under your chin, gently press, and slowly close your mouth. Relieves jaw stiffness from chewing or teeth grinding. 3. Facial stretch neck lift kiss. Look at the ceiling. Make a kissing face. Great for tightening neck and jaw evenly. 4. Partial wink exercise. Half close one eye and hold, then relax. Strengthens eyelid muscles for balanced eye shape. 5. Tongue to roof exercise. Press tongue to the roof of your mouth, hold 10 seconds. Helps lift mid-face muscles and prevent sagging. 6. Massage and lymphatic drainage. Use gua sha or your fingers. Always move outward and upward, from nose to ear, jawline to temples. Spend more time on your weaker side. These improve blood flow, tighten skin, and balance facial muscles. Step 4. Extra glow-up routines. Hydration. Dehydration makes one side look hollow. Drink water. Reduce salt and sugar. They cause puffiness, making asymmetry worse. Stretch and yoga. Body posture affects face posture. Open chest stretches and neck rolls help balance. Stress management. Meditation or jaw relaxation reduces uneven tension. Step 5. Makeup and hair tricks. Contour and highlight. Shade the fuller side of your face, highlight the smaller side. Blush placement. Place blush slightly higher on the lower cheek. Brows. Fill in the thinner brow slightly thicker to match the other. Eyeliner. Adjust thickness to balance eye size. Hair partings. Try partings that create balance. Side part for square, round, middle for oval, diamond. Step 6. Confidence boost. Here's the truth. Facial asymmetry is not always bad. A little unevenness can make your face more unique and attractive. Many celebrities are admired because of their slight asymmetry. The real glow-up happens when you embrace your features while working on small improvements. Reminder, confidence is the best symmetry. So beauties, that's your complete facial asymmetry glow-up guide. Understand your face shape. Fix daily habits. Do exercises and yoga. Massage consistently. Use makeup and hair tricks. And most importantly, love your natural uniqueness. If you stay consistent, in just 3 to 6 weeks, you'll notice your face looking more balanced, lifted, and radiant.